morning, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to create an Asana account. If you didn't already know, Asana is a project management platform that you can manage your tasks for yourself and with a team. And this is how you sign up. It's really easy to do. So to start with, you're going to navigate to asana.com. Then we're going to look to the top right hand corner and click on Get Started. So now this is going to give you different options to sign in. You can sign in for free. You can either use your Google account, a Microsoft account, or use your email. So for this tutorial, I'm going to use my email. I'm going to click on Google and then click on my main Gmail account. And then it's going to take me through a series of questions to sign in. So to start with, it's asking me, what do I plan to use it for? So I'm going to say personal, continue. And then it's going to ask me to create my first project. So whether it's something a personal to do, a travel plan, a home improvement tracker, or I can type something in. So I might just say I'll start with a blank project. And if I have teammates, I can invite them to this project. But if you don't, you can just click go to Asana and your account will be created. And from here, this is where you can work on different projects and manage them all in one space. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.